Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online donations with GoFundMe, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate online donations with GoFundMe, start by creating your GoFundMe account. Visit the GoFundMe website and click on Start a GoFundMe. Fill out the necessary information to set up your campaign. Choose a compelling title for your fundraiser that captures attention. Clearly describe your cause and include relevant details. Set a fundraising goal that reflects your needs. Add images or videos to enhance your campaign's appeal. Once your campaign is set up, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Withdraw Funds option in your campaign settings. Connect your bank account to ensure seamless access to funds. To automate donations, create a recurring donation option. GoFundMe does not support automatic recurring donations directly. Instead, encourage donors to contribute regularly by promoting the idea. You can suggest that donors set a reminder to give monthly. Utilize social media and email marketing to spread the word. Engage past donors with updates to encourage their ongoing support. Consider using external platforms to facilitate recurring donations. Research third-party tools that integrate with GoFundMe. Share your GoFundMe link across different channels to reach more donors. Regularly update your campaign page with progress updates. Express gratitude to your donors through personal messages or shoutouts. Monitor your campaign's performance through the dashboard analytics. Adjust your strategies based on donor engagement and feedback. Stay committed to your cause and maintain an active online presence. Throughout the process, remember the importance of transparency. Harness community support to broaden your reach and impact. Take advantage of GoFundMe's resources and community support. By following these steps, you can streamline your donation process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.